Shut up and sit down.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to External Star Channel. Today I have another model here in front of me, and actually this will be a little bit of surprise. And you know what? Because I actually won an auction on eBay where I found this one for first 130 euro, and then I made an offer for 90. They made a counter offer for 110. In the end it was 100 exactly. So there was also a comment that this model maybe can have some scratches or paint rushes, so definitely the paint is not perfect. And today I want to reveal how bad it actually is, because this model is normally much more than just 100 euro. So I want to really see how bad it is and if I made a mistake or not. Yeah, so I have not seen the model yet, and that's why now I am unpacking it completely, and I'm really wondering in what shape it will be. Let me maybe, can I just tear it? Okay, I see that they made some effort to really pack this properly. Yeah, so really this is properly packed, bubble foil, and maybe I should use scissors. All right. It seems impossible. How they did this? Okay, so there is another layer. Wow, how they packed this, unbelievable. All right. This is the last layer. Now the time to be careful is coming. Yeah, now really I want to be careful. Okay. Here we go. All right. So I hope you can see this model already now. Yeah, so as I can. Wow. This is quite nice. I don't see any flaws at the moment, but let's see. When we unpack it, I think there will be some problems with it, definitely. So let's start very carefully. And now you probably already know what it is. Yeah, it's BMW 6 Series from 2017, I guess. Yeah, because this was the last year when actually BMW produced this beautiful 4-door coupe 6 Series. Then in 2018 they renamed it to the 8 Series, and the current 6 Series is no longer a very luxurious coupe. It's now 5 Series with a hatchback. Yeah, so I don't understand this decision. They moved it from 6 to 8, but this is the last year when it was really this great 6 Series with 8-cylinder engine. Okay, so what to do now? How to proceed? We have this frame. Okay, and maybe, you know what? I could either cut it or unscrew it. What should I do first? 4 screws, guys. Yeah, so maybe really removing those screws, and then I will remove the tape. Okay, I will just do it here. All right, cutting it. Wow, I have never seen a car that would be packed like this. All right, so now removing it gently. Okay, all right, so my first observation, really, I must say it's dusty, very dusty actually, but the paint, wow, Very, very small scratch, almost impossible to notice. Very nice. So the first observation says, all right, this is really awesome. Yeah, it looks almost like brand new. Really, I don't see any big mistakes. All right, so it's really cool. So you know what? Now it was the unboxing part, the surprise part, and now I will review it. Okay, so now I think it's only time to really start reviewing it, and this is where the review starts. So look at that in the front. Look at this license plates, German one, 1928. I'm not sure if there is any meaning to that, probably not. And nice kidneys here as the front grille. Very nice, nicely detailed, nice frame and chrome. And then we have the headlights. And first I thought, like, look at this gap here. There is something missing, like maybe some orange part, turning indicator. But then I realized by checking the real picture that no, this is really how it's supposed to be. Yeah? So there is such a gap just below the headlights. And it's just a strange, weird design, but it's supposed to be like that, okay? And then we have also here some air intakes, very nice. So this is a diecast model actually, and now the side view, look at it here. So what we actually see is this front wheel, brake disc, brake caliper, but in my opinion the brake disc is a little bit flat and no holes in it. Also the color, it doesn't look like a metal brake disc, in my opinion, yeah, so not realistic. Brake caliper, okay, but the brake disc, maybe I will just improve it. Yeah, maybe some scratches, little bit of corrosion, dust, yeah, so it looks more realistic. But then, here, this is quite okay. The gaps, and actually this is a black one. I also investigated, there are some other colors, and the gap here between the door panel, this is much more significant. Here on the black one it's not that visible. In the back we have the same setup, the same wheels, the same problem with the brake disc, and then, oh, look at those doors. And I will of course open all of it. Now this is the exterior part. Look at this license plate, the same 650i. This is the most powerful engine, V8. Yeah, really a great one. BMW, nice tail lights, and also here additional lights. All right, so we also see the heating here in this glass, yeah, so the heating stripes. And what is quite surprising, we have this red stripe here. Okay, that's also fine. Look at those exhausts, very good. And from the bottom it looks also quite okay. Yeah? So BMW 6 Series Gran Coupe, and with also some details here. The suspension, very nice suspension, yeah, I can see the sprinkles. All right, what about in the front? Also quite detailed, yeah, it can turn, of course. So now let me check the suspension a little bit. Yeah, not so deep, but it works somehow in the front. It's questionable. All right, first the doors, and today I don't have my opening tool, so I'm using the old-fashioned dental tool, or maybe even with my fingernails. Yeah, why not? It's just so easy to open it. So you see, I can open all the doors, and we will come to the interior a bit later. Also here, oh, it's takes a little bit more effort, but yeah, so this is coupe. This is why I love it. This is why I bought it, yeah, because it's also a little bit of a family car. And they say if you want to sit in the back, then you buy a 7 Series. If you want to drive it, then you buy 6 Series, yeah, so it's really made for the drivers. Not so much leg space in the rear for the passengers in the back, probably only for your kids. That's okay. Also here, this, all right, so let me just open that. Great! Look at this. So we have nice carpeting inside. I love it, yeah, so there is nothing else, just this carpeted trunk. And what about here? Also the engine, and I have, oh, I don't have my door opening tool to suck the hood and pull it up. Oh God, how do I do that now? My fingernails. Oh God. Okay, so I finally managed with my fingernails, and here you see the engine. This is the 8-cylinder twin turbo, yeah, with 2 turbos, and this BMW on that, the logo is there. We have also some warning signs here, like here and here. This is also a very nice detail. I always like when we have some nice small stickers and when manufacturers really pay attention to those details which really make the difference. Yeah? So we have it here. I am amazed. And now the interior, finally. So here, this is probably the individual, yeah, this is what I love, because you even see it here, you see that sticker, BMW individual, amazing, yeah? So the highest trim, and you can actually configure your own color of the leather seats, yeah, so here we have this white color, then also this dashboard and everything. This is the combination of white and black. I love it, yeah, maybe the center console I would do more in brown wood, but here they decided to really have everything white, yeah. And what I have also seen here, those seats can be also like in the middle black, around that white, yeah. So all different combinations, and maybe I will search for some pictures and show it to you so that you see that this individual interior, this is really something great and worth considering. So now these cars in real life, they are sold for like $40,000 to $60,000 or euro, and this model was actually 100 euro. Yeah, but why I'm saying that, yeah, so the original price tag was even, I don't know, 180,000. Now, as I said, 50,000. That's quite a decrease, yeah, for this highly luxury, very powerful car, V8 engine, petrol or gas, and then also this luxury interior, fully customized, called BMW individual. Nice. And this car, how it's made, yeah, made by Paragon, they really, this is so awesome, guys. There is not a second when I would regret buying this one for 100, and if you find a similar one, a black one, you can also buy it. And actually, the seller said that there are some scratches, some inconsistencies. Yeah, it's not really new, but in my opinion, it looks like new. The only thing I found was here, this little dot. Can you see that? Just this small little dot that there is some mistake. And I can easily fix it, yeah? So that's such a small part, it will not be visible when I just repaint it with, I don't know what, but definitely I can fix it very easily. And then I also spotted here, you see this? Maybe some particles, so this is probably a little bit of wax or maybe a little bit of glue, yeah? So this is the second thing. So here it's somehow also dirty, but I can somehow clean it. Sometimes when they use wax to polish it, if you have the gaps, there is a little bit more of this wax when they apply it, and then it's not fully polished, so there are some reminders somewhere, yeah, but other than that, okay. So this model, really awesome. Look at this gas door here, it can't be open, unfortunately. But yeah, so do you know why I love this model? Because I also would like to buy a real one, maybe, yeah. That was my plan, but then I'm always changing my plans, yeah. So not buying a real car is always when you win, because you save all the money, yeah. So buying a real car is a real big spending, so you can have so many models, hundreds of them, instead of buying a real car, and then you will not be that satisfied, maybe, yeah, when you have it in your garage. I have really now completed the review of this one, and if you are really a big fan of my videos, then I have some extra for you, yeah. So now you can compare it, this 6 series to the X7 series, and why I have this one here. So maybe if you are watching my Instagram, you probably already know what happened, yeah. And this is actually a bonus here. So actually, when I shoot some nice videos on Instagram, everybody's doing like this, yeah, with one hand and then with the camera in the other hand. What happened to me actually? I somehow dropped this one like this, it hit the floor and yeah, this is how this crack happened here. Let me show it to you. So you see here, it's completely cracked, yeah, and yeah, that's really a bad thing, yeah. So actually also the side mirror was broken, but I could fix it, yeah, so it's invisible, but with this glass, it's impossible to repair it with regular tools, yeah. You just can't use glue, it would be messy everywhere, so we still have this crack, and I actually wanted to sell this one, yeah, for, I don't know, 150 euro, something like that. But now I will need to really reduce the price, and I would be lucky to sell it for 100. Yeah, that's now the target price that I want to sell it for. But now we have it here because I also wanted to show it to you, both of them. Yeah? So really two nice beautiful cars and two nice BMWs, and when they are here side by side, I'm really happy to see them. And maybe I will not sell this one because now when I see it again, it's really beautiful. So maybe I changed my opinion and I will keep it. Yeah? It's amazing, amazingly luxurious. Alright, so let's take this aside. Today's video was about this 650i and my final verdict is that this is really a great model. I know it's already 2017 model, yeah, so not that actual anymore, and there is now the 8 series, and everybody is buying the 8 series from Noref and iScale, and I don't know what manufacturers make it. But there are also some hidden jewels like this one, maybe 5 years old model, but still amazing. I love it, and especially because of this individual interior, which is absolutely phenomenal. Alright guys, so thank you for watching today. Now only time for the final rating, and see you next time. Bye bye.